The next topic is predicting amputation healing. Unfortunately, many patients with leg ulcers require amputation. The goal is for the amputation to be performed at the most distal level possible in order to maintain the best possible function. However, the more distal the amputation, the more likely the surgery is to fail. So TCPO2 can be used to find the optimal level of amputation, hopefully preventing failed surgeries. A normobaric air TCPO2 value less than 40 millimeters of mercury is associated with a lower than normal likelihood of amputation healing. In other words, if possible, recommend an amputation at a level where TCPO2 value is greater than 40 millimeters of mercury. An oxygen challenge can be of some help here. If the baseline TCPO2 increases less than 10 millimeters of mercury while breathing normobaric oxygen, this is a highly reliable way to predict failure of amputation at that level. In fact, this test is at least 68% accurate in predicting failure of healing after an amputation in patients for whom revascularization is not possible. So if possible, recommend amputation at a level where the oxygen challenge increase is greater than 10 millimeters of mercury. But remember that an increase of 10 millimeters of mercury represents a really poor oxygen response and confirms that the patient has severe vascular disease.